Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be doing an outside unboxing, and we got the 1948 Willys Jeepster 2021 Matchbox. We got it in a nice mint green color, and it's getting pretty dark out, so I better hurry this up. This is from the MBX Offroad segment, 1948 Willys Jeepster. This is 67 of 100 for 2021. GVX 77 is the number. 2021 Matchbox. Alright, let's get this open and see what we've got. Tore that package right open, but that's alright. This is a very cool casting, and I like the way those wheels spin. Oh. Uh-oh, we got a stuck wheel. I can probably free that up later. Look at the front of that casting, though. Interesting. Painted headlights, painted grille, and everything. And pretty cool. Here's a nice look at our 1948 Willys Jeepster. Oh, look at that. You can see the seatbelts in there. It's like a convertible, so you can see the inside. You can see the steering wheel, the interior there. All this mint green color is the die-cast part. It's got ring disc wheels. They all spin independently, which is pretty rare for a Matchbox car. And you can see that nice Willys Jeepster we have here. 1948 Willys Jeepster. Willys, look at that, like classical writing there. We got W right on the spare tire with the painted taillights. Nice bumper, too. I like that bumper. I like the way it's constructed. I do like it. Nice design. Very realistic looking casting. Base is plastic. I like how they implemented these rocker panels and fenders. And 1948 Willys Jeepster, made in Thailand, with a 2020 or 2018 copyright. Right there. Thanks for tuning in and watching me unbox it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.